Hello everyone, this is Josiah. Time right now is 9:31. It is June, I think the 28th. What's today's date? Yes, June 28th at 9:31 p.m. So I wanted to go over the markets. I didn't get to do so earlier this morning. Just got busy and caught up with everything in life. But I wanted to go over BTCUSD and the three main currency pairs that track the GBPUSD, EURUSD, as well as AUDUSD. For BTCUSD, looking at the daily chart, it looks like the pair is currently in a period of consolidation. Nothing new there. It has clearly broken through the 200 period WMA as well as gone. It's fluttered a little bit with the 400 period WMA. However, it's currently underneath it and has been for a couple of days. I want to say the past 10 days or so. It's looking like there might be some possibility for an uptrend down here based upon the MACD. However, I do believe that it still probably has some more bearish momentum on the downside. If it does break through the 400 period WMA, obviously our next move is going to be breaking through the 200 period, and we're going to look for something around the 49.5 area. If not, trying to reach around about the 60,000, I would say 59.5 to 60,000 mark. Once we reach there, then we're going to have to keep a close eye on it because that would mean either we're going to try to move for a new all-time high or we're going to retrace and start heading back down. If we start heading back down, I think, let me rephrase that. If we start heading back down from this period of consolidation, I believe that we're going to actually start going down around about 17.5, I believe was the area, just because we have some consolidation around here. Last period of consolidation was pretty much where we are now. I believe 17.5, 18 maybe is going to be the period where we're going to start looking for a level of resistance. It's going to kind of just settle there for a little bit if we do get a pullback, bearish. Going forward, looking at GBPUSD, it's currently obviously in a bullish trend. It has touched the 200 period WMA and then retraced. Currently it is in what I have a downtrend. However, it's not really a downtrend. It's just more so a correction. I'm going to be looking for price to move back up to $1.42. If it reaches $1.42, then we can look for more so the psych levels of $1.43.02, $1.44. I don't really have too much in the way of previous highs. Previous high we had before was coming back in 2018 when we were looking at, what was it, $1.43.7, I think was the high. Yeah, $1.43.7. Do I think we're going to reach that? Probably not. I think what's really going to happen is that we're going to have a level of consolidation right around here. So $1.41, probably have some consolidation, and then we might have another retracement, which might actually lead to a downtrend and just change it altogether. After that, we are now going to be looking at the Aussie dollar, also bullish. Sorry. However, currently we are in a bearish trend. We have on this pair broken through the 200 period WMA, so there is some downward movement. However, the MACD is showing that there is a chance that we might get a slight push up. However, we are below the 0-0 line on the MACD, so I wouldn't keep my fingers crossed just yet for that one. I think that we're kind of looking like we might start pulling back for a more so bearish sentiment on this pair. Going to the last pair, the EURUSD, we are currently also in a bearish trend. We've also broken through the 200. It looks like we got really close to touching the 400 period, and then we retraced back up. So right now we're actually in between those two WMAs, the 200 and 400. We did get a breakthrough earlier in the year around April, March, April, right around here, where it kind of did what it's doing right now, just not as aggressively as it is right now. And then it obviously, pulled back and went up to, what's that, $1.22 or so. Right now, if it doesn't, excuse me, if it doesn't retrace back let's say we're not going to be looking at $1.21 to $1.22 maybe, then I would say that our next level that we're going to look at is going to be right around here, just because we have a pretty good case for it. We have price action pretty much leveling off right here. We have this bar right here on March 29th coming down to $1. What was the low? $1.1711. The next day we have a low of $1.1704. The next day we have a low of $1.1712. So it was pretty much at that range. So $1.17, let's say 15, just to give it some wiggle room. Then over here we also had a nice little area of consolidation as well. It actually lasted for a couple months, so it was kind of sideways. I don't believe that we're going to hit this per se. I don't think it's going to look so sideways for so long. Don't think we're going to have that. But if we do have another retracement, I think we're going to want to look to see for price. We're going to look to see for price. We're going to want to look to see price crossing through the 400 period WMA. Currently, the 400 period WMA is at, let's see, what's it at? It's at 1.1848. So if we want to put some sort of alert there, just to keep us preview of what the price is doing and the WMA, or price is doing in accordance with the WMA, then I think that would be smart. So that's pretty much my analysis for, like I say, the BTCUSD pair, as well as the three mains, the GBPUSD, EURUSD, as well as AUDUSD. If you want for me to look at any of your currencies or cryptos or stocks, futures, options, whatever it is, and give you some sort of analysis, then please write me in the comments and let me know. Thank you very much for watching, and I guess subscribe and like it. That would help. But until the next market recap, I will talk to you. Thank you.